Hello everyone, let's now move on to the modal verb möchten. Möchten means something like would like, okay? I would like, he would like, and so on. Let's see the conjugation pattern. It goes as follows. Ich möchte, du möchtest, er möchte. The first and the third person singular here again are the same. They have the same ending. Everything else is normal, like in a usual present conjugation. Let's see the formula. As we can see, first we place the subject. After it comes the modal verb. And at the end of the sentence, the infinitive of the main verb. Okay, let's see a few examples. Again here with the formula. Like in this first sentence, ich möchte Fußball spielen. I would like to play football. Or these two questions, was möchtest du essen? What would you like to eat? Or the polite form, was möchten Sie essen? What would you like to eat, sir or madam? And the answer would be, ich möchte eine Pizza. I would like a pizza. Or you can add something else. Ich möchte, for example, ich möchte Deutsch lernen. I would like to learn German. Or you can write something else. So it's pretty simple. I hope it was helpful, and till the next time.